I'm sorry. It's now my turn, okay? I had that photo made of you the day after I took it. It's been in my apartment for months now because you were the most beautiful thing I'd ever seen, and I wanted to look at it every single day. That night I showed up at your door. I went searching for you because no one in the history of my life has ever crawled under my skin and refused to leave like you did. I didn't know how to handle myself. And the reason I sent you flowers this week is because I am really, really proud of you for following your dream. But if I sent you flowers every time I had the urge to send you flowers, you would not be able to fit into your tiny little apartment. Because that's how much I think about you, Lily. But you are right. I am hurting you. But I am hurting too. And up until tonight, I don't know why. But the truth is, I don't know what I'm doing. You make me want to be a different person. But what if I don't know how to be what you need? What if I can't be Mr. Prince Charming?